Greetings, Mathies. Hope you're having a good day. Today I am going to go over different types of solutions that can happen besides just having one solution in an equation. All right, here we go. All right, bad as always. Okay, let me get my screen set up and we'll go over the different types of solutions we can have. So we are used to one solution. So we'll go ahead and solve this two-step equation here. The inverse of subtracting 7 would be to add 7 to both sides. Negative 7 plus 7 simplifies, and 14 plus 7 is 21. We get it down to that one-step equation. Inverse of timesing by 3 is to divide by 3. Isolate the x, and x would equal 7. So that's an example of a one solution, which we have been doing. So let's see what happens with infinite many solutions. Okay, so if you think about our graphic organizer, we have parentheses. So the first thing we're going to do is distribute. Don't forget to take 3 times 1. Next thing the graphic organizer says is if you have like terms on either side of the equation, get it cleaned up. That's what I call it, clean it up. Well, we have 2 constants here. We have a positive 3 and we have a negative 5. So I'm going to clean that up, get those together. Positive 3 minus 5, have more negative, gives me negative 2. Okay, so right away, I am noticing I have the same thing on both sides of the equation. And this is called reflexive. So if I recognize that I have a reflexive statement, I know that everything's going to cancel. If I subtract 3a from both sides, the a's will cancel. If I add 2 to both sides, the constants are going to cancel. And so basically what happens is I get 0 equals 0, which is a true statement in math. And so I know that the solution is going to be all real solutions. You can see it here. The variable will cancel on both sides, and we will get a true statement. So it doesn't matter what I would substitute in for A, I would always get a reflexive statement. All right, well, what's your prediction if we have a no solution? Okay, well, it says that the variable will cancel on both sides, but, okay, so I wonder, here we had a true statement. Okay, so I'm kind of thinking, all right, let's see if it's true. Lots of opposites in math. Let's see if we get a false statement. So same thing, we have a parenthesis. We want to distribute. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 3 times 3x is 9x, but I am subtracting. Oh, okay, so here we have, that is the same coefficient with the variable on both sides, negative 9x. So if I want to add 9x, oh yeah, those are going to cancel. So what I have left for the constants is negative 6 equals negative 4, which is a false statement. So that's why we are going to get a no solution. So just be aware of that when you start solving equations, that if you get the same variable on both sides, same coefficient, that, well, it's either going to be an infinite many solutions, or it's going to be all no solution based on if we have a true or a false statement.